Here's how to make a group chat in Facebook Messenger. Now let's open up Facebook Messenger. You can see I'm on my iPhone, but you can do the exact same steps if you're on Android or a computer. It works the exact same. Now on here, you have two different options. The first way that I like to do it is first navigate to someone that you want to be in the group chat. Let's say I wanted to have a group chat with Haley. So tap on Haley, tap on her name at the very top. And now you'll be able to see midway down, create group chat with this person, in this case, Haley. Just tap on it and you can see new group name. I can name this here and I can name it Nace. And then you can see Haley's already selected, but I can search for other people as well if I wanted to, say, add Barbara here. And then I can just hit create and I've created that new group chat. Now that's one option, but another option is just to tap on the pencil and paper icon at the very top right. And then we'll hit create the new group at the very top. And on here, all you need to do is search for their names. So again, let's say I want to search for Haley. And then again, I want to search for Barbara. So you can just tap on their names and then you can just hit create. And just like that, you have created that group chat with those specific people. You can always tap at the very top here. You can hit see chat members. And you can always tap the little plus if you wanted to add more people to it, or of course you can kick people off of a group if you wanted to as well.